I want to tell you about the handful of hours that I spent knocking doors in Las Vegas and how I ended up walking away with 17 new pool service customers, all for less than $100. And I did this with no Facebook ads, no agency, no Google spend. Just me, a stack of door hangers, and a neighborhood where I already had a truck on the street every single week. I'm going to give you every number, the exact approach I used at the door, why this works in pool service in a way that it doesn't work in almost any other home service business, and a complete step-by-step breakdown you can copy in your own market this week. Now, for those of you that don't know me, my name is John Luca, and I ran a pool service business that did multiple seven figures in revenue per year, and at our peak, we were servicing over 800 weekly accounts. Now, having said that, let's jump into it. Now, I want to start here by saying that this wasn't necessarily a desperation move. The business was already running, we had a ton of accounts, we had real techs, and we had a real operation going. But I began to notice something about our route that really actually bothered me. We were servicing clusters of pools in specific neighborhoods, but there were gaps. Houses all over the place on the same street as our existing customers whose pools we weren't even touching. And these pools were nearly impossible to target directly using a digital marketing strategy. These were the neighbors who had been watching our truck pull up every week for months and they never called us. Now, the cool thing here is that we already had the brand awareness. We were already there every single week. The trust was partially built before I knocked on a single door, and we were doing absolutely nothing to capture it. So I picked a neighborhood where we already had a solid cluster of accounts, grabbed a stack of door hangers, and went door to door. Now, here were the numbers. 100 doors knocked, 37 people answered, 63 of them didn't. Of the 37 conversations, 10 people signed up right on the spot, right there at the door, same day. And on the 63 homes that did not answer, I left a door hanger. And over the next few months, 7 more of those customers called us and ended up signing up for service. The total here was 17 customers, a 17% conversion rate on every door knocked. Total cost, less than $100 in door hanger and a handful of hours of my time. Now, at $150 a month per account, that's roughly $2,550 in new monthly recurring revenue from a handful of hours of door knocking. $30,600 a year for under $100 out of pocket. Now, let's compare that to paid ads, where your cost per acquired customer runs anywhere from $50 to $400. My cost per customer was just under $6 for a customer worth $1,800 a year in recurring revenue. The math is almost embarrassing at how good it is. Now, real quick, guys, before I keep going, I wanted to make sure you knew about something. The Pool Service Academy is our free community on School, and it's where we give away everything. We've spent hundreds of hours documenting the strategies we use to grow to millions of dollars per year. Inside of the community, we do weekly calls where we go deep on what's actually working, monthly webinars on overcoming everyday hurdles in the business, and a community of pool service pros at every stage in the business, sharing real strategies, real numbers, and real industry trends with each other. Every guru out there is charging thousands or at a bare minimum a monthly subscription for access to this type of information. We built the Pool Service Academy with the intent to help pool service pros at every stage in the business grow, scale, and optimize their business. The link is in the description below. Go check it out. It's completely free. Now back to the video. Now let me show you exactly what I did, how I did it, so that you can plug and play this directly into your own business. Now let's start by talking about the math, because this is what's so compelling about this. We signed up 17 customers at $150 a month, which was $2,550 in new monthly recurring revenue. Annualized, that's just over $30,000, and my cost per acquired customer was just under $6. Now, if you're running Facebook ads, your cost per acquired customer is going to be anywhere from $50 to $400. Door knocking in the right neighborhoods done correctly beats paid advertisement 10 times out of 10, and it's not even close. Now, why is pool service different? This is really the insight that makes door knocking and pool service completely different from any other trade. Now, most home service businesses knock cold doors. Nobody knows them, conversion rates are brutal. Pool service is different because you are not knocking on cold doors. People have seen your truck every single week for months. They know you service their neighbor's pool, and you are already trusted before you even say a single word. That changes everything about the conversion here. Now, here's the exact script. Open by introducing yourself as the owner of the business, not a salesperson, but the owner, and immediately reference the neighborhood connection. We service several other of your neighbors' pools on this street. You've probably seen our truck out here. That one line is going to change the entire dynamic of the conversation, and then make your offer. Give them a free equipment inspection and a first month discount or something of that nature. Be specific, immediate, and easy to say yes to. Then, once you have their attention, you've made the offer, go in for the close and ask them if you can get them scheduled this week. You don't need a complicated pitch. It doesn't need to be a long presentation, just a warm introduction, a compelling offer, and a direct ask for the close. Now, why does the offer actually work? Well, essentially, it's because of the structure. The structure is going to matter a lot here. When you show up at someone's door uninvited, you have about 30 seconds before they want to close it on you. Your offer has to be compelling enough to say yes to that it takes less mental effort than saying no. Give them something like a free equipment inspection. A free equipment inspection works perfectly because most homeowners really have no idea about the condition of their pool equipment, and it gets you in front of their pool before they've committed to anything. The first month discount or the first month free is what's going to actually close the deal. Combined with the neighborhood reference that you've already established, most people who have got to this point in the conversation are going to say yes to you. So here's the complete playbook in summary. Pick your densest neighborhood, the street where you have the most existing accounts, print door hangers with a budget of 50 to 100 bucks, block 3 hours this week, wear your branded gear in a branded truck, lead with the neighborhood reference at every door, make the offer specific and immediate, and leave a door hanger at every home where nobody answers, no exceptions to this. And really importantly, you're going to need to track everything here. Track the amount of doors you knocked, the conversations you've had, the same-day signups, the delayed conversations at 30, 60, and 90 days. That data is going to turn a one-time experiment into a repeatable system that you can run in every neighborhood on your route all year long. So that's the complete breakdown. Every number, every step, every piece of a system that turned some hours of door knocking into 17 customers and $30,000 in annual recurring revenue. But I want to leave you with something beyond just the tactics, because the real lesson here isn't about door knocking specifically. It's about what your business is already sitting on without you even realizing it. Every week you are driving past warm leads, people whose neighbors already pay for you, people who have seen your truck consistently, people who are one conversation away from becoming your next customer. Every operator out there is going to drive past that all of the time and go home. They wait for the phone to ring, they hope the referrals keep coming, they run ads into cold audiences when they have warm ones sitting right outside of the windows of their existing customers. The $100 and handful of hours that I spent wasn't the insight here. The insight was realizing that my existing route was a lead generation asset, and an asset that I had never actually used before, and your route is the same. Every neighborhood you service is full of potential customers who are already halfway sold before you even say a word. The question is whether you're going to do anything to capture them or not. Now, here's exactly what I want you to hear before you close this video. Most of you watching this will think this is a great idea. You'll nod along potentially, you might even see screenshots of the slides. And then you'll go back to whatever it is you were doing and never knock on a single door. Not because you don't believe it works, the numbers make it pretty hard to argue with, but because it's just going to feel uncomfortable. It feels like something you have to do physically rather than set up on a laptop and just let it run its course. And that discomfort is exactly why your competitors aren't doing it, and exactly why the ones who do it see the results that I saw. Pick your neighborhood, print the hangers, block the time, and go knock on those doors. Now, in closing, if this video gave you a new way to think about customer acquisition in your pool service business, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'm posting videos every single week that cover the real business side of this industry, the strategies that actually work, and the real numbers behind them, and the honest story of what it actually takes to build something real here. And if you want to be in a room with other pool service operators who are doing the exact same thing and sharing what's working, don't hesitate to join the Pool Service Academy on School. It is completely free. I've linked it in the description for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.